Hello and welcome. I am Bhavesh Atara from CloudFox Hub. I will be your trainer throughout your journey of Git and GitLab CI/CD pipeline DevOps engineering course. Before you are going to start your training about this course, I want you to give me promise about 4 points that I am going to explain you right now. The first point is I will be with you throughout of your journey. I am going to provide you Telegram group link below this video. Please join this group, and whenever you have any technical issue, just message over there into this group and I will help you to solve your query. I want your first promise that you are going to join this group and you will utilize our 24/7 support system. We don't want you to waste your time to go and find out some topic related queries from Google or ChatGPT. I will provide you instant answer over there. Second promise I want from you is you are going to complete this course within 30 days. The course duration is 11 hours 30 minutes approx, and if you are going to spend almost 45 minutes per day, you are able to complete this course within 30 days for sure. So, I want you to provide me your start date and end date into the comment section, and you will complete this course within 30 days. You are going to complete this course within provided date. So, I want this second promise from you. Third promise I want from you is you are going to complete all 5 projects provided in this particular course. You are not going to understand everything theoretically, but yes, you are going to complete this practically as well. For some of practicals during the course, if you are not going to perform this, I will consider it as okay. But I want you to complete all your 5 projects practically for sure. Don't forget to do this, because once you will complete all these 5 projects, I am giving you guarantee that you will become expert for sure. So third promise, you are going to complete all the projects practically as well. And the fourth one and the final one. Once you are going to complete this course, there is a certification. You are able to download your completion certificate, and you are going to share this certificate on all the social media platforms. I don't know why there are many people who is having knowledge, but they are not going to demonstrate this knowledge. They are not saying to anyone that they have this knowledge. If you have knowledge, you have to tell it to everybody so they can understand that you have this knowledge, and there is a chance that you may get a proper job offer from the company as well. So, fourth promise, after completing this course, you are going to share this certification on a social media, specifically on LinkedIn, and please tag CloudFox Hub LinkedIn page as well. So these are the 4 promises. Another one advice that I want to give you, theoretical part, you need to complete all this, but if you want to get a proper benefit of theoretical class, just watch this on a 1.5x speed. So try to watch this with the 1.5x speed. If you are comfortable, watch all the videos with 1.5x speed. It will give you better experience. So this is all about from my desk. Happy learning. Don't forget that your elder brother or whatever you say is always with you. You just one message away from you. So don't forget to message me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.